Welcome to my channel. Wow! Cute!
Hello! Hello!
Let's start to make it together. We need a cardboard, computer sheets, 2 magnets, pencil colors, a scissor, a cutter, a scale, a permanent marker, a white pen, a glue, marker colors, tape. So let's start to make it. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.
Handmade stickers.
Wow! Cute! It's ready! Please leave a comment if you like my video. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.